Well, I thought I'd attempt to try to fix this bow that snapped on me. I'm going to put some epoxy in there and see if we can't get it to hold. I bought some Loctite epoxy. I'm just going to put 2 wood shims on and then clamp it down with these little C-clamps. Let it set for a couple days and see if it'll hold. I'll string it up and try to shoot it a couple times, see what happens. And if not, if it breaks, it breaks, but otherwise I'll just make it a wall hanger or something. But I thought I'd give it a shot instead of just throwing it away. The way it's split, it may not hold, but at least when you string it up, it's kind of going back against itself, so it might hold for a while. We'll see. But I thought it'd be worth a shot, so go ahead and see if we can attempt to epoxy this thing up. There we go. Alright, here we go. Give it a shot. See if we can get enough epoxy back in there. Hopefully we can get the whole thing covered good without it oozing everywhere on me. We'll see. Squirt a little extra, maybe it'll ooze down in there. We shall see. Definitely got a bunch. A towel or something like the extra. Having the shim stuck to it. Clamp it up and see what happens here. I'm going to try to put this one right here. Alright, there we go. We'll just let it set for a couple days. We'll take it apart and see what happens. Alright, we've had this clamped up for about a week. It's been 7 days now, so we're going to go ahead and get the clamps off and put a string on and see what happens. Hopefully it'll hold and won't snap as soon as I try to string it up, but you never know, I guess, so let's give it a shot and see what happens. I figured it was worth a try instead of just throwing it away. Let's say worst case scenario, just turn it into a wall hanger. Try to make something out of it, curtain rod or something. Pretty little bow. It's a shame that it happened to begin with, but guess that stuff happens. Shims, yeah. Figured the shims would probably be stuck a little bit with epoxy, but not too bad on that side. A little bit of cleaning up to do, maybe. We'll see what happens. Alright, go ahead and try to get a string on it. Alright, we're back. I'm going to go ahead and try to string it up and see what happens. A little scary. So far so good. I don't hear no creaking or cracking. Adjust it a little bit there. Alright. So far so good. I don't hear no noise. Definitely say the tiller was off on the bow though. Just clearing there, about another half a thumb's width or so on that side. Let's go ahead and check the brace height and see what we're at. About 6.5 so far. I'm going to go ahead and put my gear on, try to find some safety glasses. And we'll go ahead and try to put a couple arrows through it and see what happens. So far I don't hear no noise. It's not the prettiest thing, but let's see what happens. Alright, we're back. We're going to go ahead and try a couple arrows through it, see what happens. I got some safety glasses on just in case it blows up. And I got no rest or nothing on it. We're just going to try it before I put anything on there. See what happens. Definitely shoots high at that distance. Seem to kick it out okay though. Got a little bit of vibration there. Might need a little bit higher brace height. Not sure what these bows are supposed to be. Seems to be holding all right though. £25. Kicking it out all right. Groups are off a little bit, but let's check it out and we'll try it one more time. That first one was pretty high there. Started to get it a little bit. Let's go ahead and try one more time and see if we can get a better group. And I'm pulling the 28 inches so far and I haven't heard no crack or no noise. I figured if anything, when you release it would give it enough jolt, but so far seems to be doing all right. And here we go. One more time. Heard a little creaking there. Yeah, I think it's letting go. Yep. It's starting to buckle. It didn't work. We'll just turn it into a wall hanger. It was worth a try though. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. God bless.